the first broadcast Bluetooth 5.2 transceiver with LE audio. Meet VOCE. You can broadcast high-quality audio to unlimited devices simultaneously. With a broadcast range of 30 meters, you can build an immersive world of sound. When not broadcasting, the VOCE also offers fully lossless audio streaming. Enabling VOCE's versatility and audio quality is a set of industry-leading components, so you can tap into the future of Bluetooth technology today. A light form factor means VOCE can be installed anywhere, or you can take it on the move. And low latency makes it perfect for fast-paced gaming. With LE Audio's broadcasting capabilities, you can create your own wireless recording setup, ideal for podcasters and streamers. LE Audio is the future of wireless. Experience the power of this next-generation technology with VOCE.